What is SAP? SAP is very powerful database software used to manage the essential functions of the city. It's what's called ERP, or Enterprise Resource Planning software. More on that in a moment. The letters SAP are an acronym for Systeme Anwendungen Produkte in Datenverarbeitung in German. In English, that translates to Systems, Applications, and Products and Data Processing. SAP, as you might guess, is both the name of the company and the software. SAP the company is German and global in scale. Odds are, whether you know it or not, you've interacted with an SAP database. Ever buy something on iTunes? If so, your purchase was completed via SAP with a lovely Apple-created user interface. So SAP is a database? Well, yes, but it's more than that. It's also a set of business processes mapped into software. Processes like procurement, payroll, general ledger, accounting, and so on. When SAP was created, the big innovation was keeping all of the vital data of an enterprise in one location. That's what makes it software known as Enterprise Resource Planning, or ERP software. For example, a city employee's salary information is input in HR as part of the payroll process. But that data can also be seen by accounts payable for accounting purposes. Personal data is masked from accounting through the use of role security. This innovation, keeping all of an organization's key operational information in one system, is a huge money and time saver. One of the most obvious advantages is that if information is entered incorrectly, it only has to be corrected once, and the correction fixes the data in all systems in all of SAP's modules. Modules are the various parts of SAP that handle a specific business process like payroll or general ledger or requisitions. These days, we all interact with and use databases all the time, and we think very little of it. As commonplace as the database is in today's world, however, SAP's technology remains powerful in what it can do for organizations like ours because of its integration of business process modules. City staff interact with SAP in one of four ways. Depending on what you do at the city, you may interact with all or none of them. The primary system of SAP is the on-premises database and accompanying applications that run on it through a desktop SAP application called ECC. All of the city's finance and logistics data is kept here. Much of our human resources data, including payroll and employee records, is kept here as well. The system most employees interact with is the CityLink web portal. This is where you can access your timesheet, make time-off requests, change your emergency contact information, and more. SuccessFactors is the new HR system for SAP and is web-based. Eventually, all or nearly all of our HR functions will move to this system. You may one day even do your timesheet via the SuccessFactors interface. Currently at the city, we have implemented the learning management system, onboarding, and performance and goals management. Notably, eventually most, if not all, SAP systems will have this kind of simpler, user-friendly interface as we update and upgrade our existing SAP systems. Even finance will eventually have this kind of appearance. The last component of SAP at the city is what's called Business Objects Reporting, or BOBJ, and is also accessed via the web. This system enables users to create more detailed reports than are available in desktop SAP. If you've ever used a pivot table in Microsoft Excel, that gives you an idea of how BOBJ can cross-reference data from different data sets of SAP to display customized reporting for city users. If you ever need help, you can obtain help for SAP here at up.portlandoregon.gov. That will take you to the uPerform library where our SAP information is stored. Or through the desktop interface if you use desktop SAP in this location. Or you can contact a member of the EBS team, the city's SAP support in BTS.